G'day all, welcome back to Built by Chris. This is a video for Sumo's project Scrapwood Challenge of 2020. I was asked to make something out of scrapwood that was functional, and the video had to be kept under 3 minutes. I came up with this. If you want to see how I made it, follow me and I'll show you how easy it was. So there it is, my contribution to Sumo's project Scrapwood Challenge of 2020. They're card holders. I don't know what game they're for, but they hold cards. I believe I've met the criteria that Dirk set down in this challenge. It is scrapwood. It is functional, as you can see, they're functional. And hopefully I've kept this video under 3 minutes. If you like what you saw, please like and subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Bye for now.